Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to download MacBook apps. First, you need to open something called App Store. So how to do it? You can either search for the App Store from here, just write App Store. This is it. You can open it. Or you can open the Finder from here. First, it will open, for example, let's say first it shows you the download folder. Click on the applications and look for this app called App Store. Double click it and it will show up here. From here you can search for apps, for example antivirus, and just like this you can see the available antiviruses here. How to install, for example, by the way, here this is a free antivirus with in-app purchases, and the paid ones shows the price here instead of get. Now you can also check the categories page where the apps are organized by categories. For example, let's check the utilities. For example, the utilities category, and those are the top free apps for this utilities category, and those are the top paid apps. And this is how to install. My bad, I forgot to show you how to install. Let's say that I want to install this DuckDuckGo app. Click on it. It will open up like this. Click on Get, then install. Wait a moment. App Store needs to authenticate to continue. I can use my fingerprint to check this. Wait for the download to complete. As you see, this is the progression. Now that the app downloading is completed, click on Open. Would you like to access files in your download? Let's allow this. And just like this, this is my downloaded app. Here it will show up in the Docker if you want to, when you close this app or when you quit this app. As you see, it disappear on this from the Docker. If you want it to stay here, let's open it. DuckDuckGo. Where is this app? Okay, let's say that you want to locate your newly downloaded app. Click on Finder, then make sure you are in the applications folder, and here look for, here you will see all the available apps on your Mac, and this is the app I've just downloaded. Double click it and it will open up again. If you want to keep it here in the Docker after quitting it, click on it using the right button of your mouse, go to options and select keep in dock. Now even if it is quitted, it stays here for easy access. And this is how to download and apps on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.